You're burning up! John! Wake up! Sunny has a fever!
What happened?
Sunny's very hot. We need to go to the hospital now.
Mom, I feel cold.
It's okay, Sunny. We're here with you.
Stay awake, Sunny.
We'll get to the hospital soon.
Sunny, remember to bring your raincoat today. It may rain this afternoon.
Really? But the weather looks so sunny today. I don't think it will rain today, Mom.
The weather can change quickly. Just take it with you, okay?
Don't forget your raincoat. Okay, Mom. I need to hurry to school.
Be careful on the road.
Bye, Mom. The weather is beautiful today. Hey, Sunny! Hi, Lily! The weather is really nice today. Yeah, it's sunny and warm. My mom still made me bring a raincoat, though. What happened? Oh no! I forgot my raincoat at home! Do you want to go back and get it? I think it's okay. The sky is still very sunny. I hope it won't rain later. Me too. It really doesn't look like rain today. Yeah, my mom worries too much sometimes.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher. The weather is still perfect. I know, no rain at all. Your raincoat is probably still on the table at home. Yep, I completely forgot about it. But it's fine. Look at the sky. True, it's super sunny. Only 30 more minutes left. Wow, it's getting dark outside. Oh no. Your raincoat? Yeah. I think it's gonna rain soon.
Everyone stay calm and finish your work first.
That rain looks really heavy. Yeah. Hopefully the rain will stop when we get home.
Good thing Sunny brought her raincoat today. The weather changed so quickly. Okay, everyone, go home safely.
My dad is coming to pick me up. My raincoat is in my bag. It's raining even harder now. Are you going to wait here? Yeah, I think so. Don't go home yet, okay? Wait until the rain stops. Okay. Bye, Sunny. Bye, Lily. It's getting late. Mom is probably waiting for me at home. It's already getting dark. I can't stay here forever. The rain doesn't look as heavy anymore. Maybe it's okay now. It's still raining. But only a little now. I think I can make it home. Mom is probably waiting for me already. I should go home now. I just need to get home quickly.
It's getting pretty late now. Sunny should have been home already. I hope she didn't ride home in the rain without waiting.
I need to get home before it rains harder again. It's so cold now.
Why isn't Sunny home yet? John, Sunny still hasn't come home yet. Wait, Sunny didn't take her raincoat?
What?
Oh no! She rode home without it in this weather.
We should go pick her up right now.
Ah! The rain is getting heavy again. I'm almost home. Just a little more. Sunny! Oh my gosh, you're completely soaked. I'm home. I'm sorry, the rain suddenly got really heavy. Oh, Sunny, honey, are you okay? You look freezing.
You're completely soaked. Come inside quickly before you get even colder.
Okay.
Here, Sunny. Dry yourself first. Your clothes are freezing cold, Dad.
I'm okay, Dad. Really.
You're already getting cold.
You stayed in the rain for too long. I know, I'm sorry.
It's just a sneeze. I'm fine, really.
No, Sunny. Go take a hot shower right now.
Take a warm shower and change into dry clothes, okay?
Okay, I will.
I hope Sunny feels better after the hot shower.
She should be okay after some rest.
Are you still feeling cold?
A little, but I'm sleepy now.
Try to get some good sleep, okay?
Okay, Mom, good night.
She still doesn't look very well. Maybe I should stay here tonight. Just in case. Good night, Sunny.
Mom.
Honey. Are you okay? Oh no! You're burning up! John, wake up quickly!
What happened?
Sunny has a high fever. She has a really high fever.
We need to take her to the hospital right now. Let's go right now.
Hold on, Sunny. We're taking you to the hospital.
Mom, I feel cold.
I know, sweetheart. We'll be there soon.
It's raining so hard tonight. Get in quickly. Stay awake for me, Sunny. I'll try.
We're almost there. Just a few more minutes.
We're here now.
Let's get her inside.
The doctor will see her right away.
Thank you.
You're gonna be okay.
Okay, Mom.
She likely got sick after being out in the rain for too long.
We were afraid that might happen.
Don't worry. She should recover with treatment and rest. Thank you, doctor. Here you go, Sunny. Time to take your medicine.
Okay, Mom.
Good job, Sunny.
The medicine tastes funny.
Your fever is starting to come down.
I feel a little better now. I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I forgot my raincoat and rode home in the rain.
We're not angry with you.
You're not...
Everyone makes mistakes sometimes.
The important thing is learning from them.
Next time, I'll remember my raincoat.
That's our smart girl.
And if the weather looks bad, don't rush home alone.
I understand, Mom. Thank you for taking care of me.
That's what parents do.
We love you, Sunny.
I love you too.